Are you looking for the best case fans? In this video, we will look at some of the 10 best case fans on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Corsair iQ SP120 RGB Elite Performance 120mm PWM Triple Fan Kit. The Corsair SP120 RGB Elite Fan Kit is a high-performance 120mm PWM triple fan kit that offers exceptional cooling capabilities. It features Corsair Air Guide technology, which directs airflow and concentrates cooling for improved performance. With 8 individually addressable RGB LEDs along each fan hub, it creates mesmerizing RGB lighting effects. The kit also includes the ICUE lighting node core, allowing you to control RGB lighting for up to 6 Corsair RGB fans via the Corsair ICUE software. With powerful ICUE software, you can create vivid lighting effects and synchronize them across all your compatible products. The translucent fan blades spin quietly, providing high airflow while letting your RGB lighting shine through. The powerful PWM-controlled fan speeds and static pressure ensure optimal cooling for your system. Number 2. Thermalright TL C12C SX3 CPU Fan. The Thermalright TL C12C SX3 CPU fan is a high-performance cooling fan that offers automatic speed control through the 4-pin PWM fan cable interface. This allows the fan to adjust its speed according to the temperature of the motherboard, ensuring efficient cooling. The fan features quality SFDB bearings, which minimize fan noise while providing maximum cooling performance. With its excellent LED lighting, the fan creates a soft and vibrant ARGB lighting effect that matches perfectly with any cooler or case. The TL C12C SX3 is also designed to be a silent fan, with a noise level of less than or equal to 25.6 dBA. It is an ideal choice for cases, radiators, and CPU coolers, offering higher airflow and improved cooling performance. Number 3. Noctua NF P12 Redux 1700 PWM Cooling Fan. The Noctua NF P12 Redux 1700 PWM is a high-performance cooling fan with a pressure-optimized blade design that provides outstanding quietness of operation. It has a 1700 RPM maximum speed and a 4-pin PWM that supports automatic motherboard speed control. This fan is suitable for use with air-based CPU coolers, water cooling radiators, or low-noise chassis ventilation. The streamlined Redux edition comes with proven Noctua quality and a wide range of optional accessories, such as anti-vibration mounts and extension cables. Number 4. Antec F12 Series 5-Packs. The Antec RGB case fans, also known as the Antec F12 Series 5-Packs, are a great addition to any PC setup. These fans are not only easy to install, but they also offer a quiet operation with their sleeve bearing and fluid dynamic bearing. With a noise level of only 21.5 dBA, these fans meet the noise standard of a studio, ensuring a peaceful gaming or working environment. The bright RGB lighting adds a touch of style to your setup, with a full spectrum of colors to choose from. The rapid cooling feature of the fan frame ensures efficient ventilation and large-capacity heat dissipation, keeping your PC cool even during intense gaming sessions. Upgrade your PC with the Antec RGB case fans and enjoy a cool and visually stunning experience. Number 5. Arctic F12 PWM PST 5-Pack 120mm PWM PST Case Fan. The Arctic F12 PWM PST 5-Pack is a set of 120mm case fans with innovative design, PWM function for precise speed regulation, and PWM sharing technology, PST. The fan blades are designed to improve airflow and reduce noise, while the fluid dynamic bearing with oil capsule ensures a longer service life. With a fan speed of 230 1350 RPM, airflow of 53 cfm/90.1 m superscript 3/h, and noise level of 0.3 zone. These fans offer efficient cooling and quiet operation for your computer. Number 6. UFRA 3-Pack 120mm Cooling Case Fan. The UFRA 3-Pack 120mm cooling case fan provides higher airflow to enhance the cooling performance of your computer case. This is an economic solution for perfect performance and RoHS compliance for protecting the environment. The 3-in-1 value pack delivers ultra-silent operation at 19 dBA, ensuring a noise-free environment for your work or entertainment. Number 7. Cooler Master Fan MF120 Halo 3-in-1 Fans. The Cooler Master Fan MF120 Halo 3-in-1 Fans features dual-ring addressable RGB lighting with 24 individually controlled ARGB LEDs for a stunning visual effect. It also has a hybrid static pressure blade design to tackle resistances in CPU liquid radiator, low noise or mesh chassis ventilation while boosting overall airflow. The noise reduction technology and sound-absorbing materials offer a quieter and longer lifespan cooling solution. In addition to this, it comes with a wired ARGB controller, PWM fan control, and is compatible with most of addressable RGB-capable motherboards Aura Mystic Light and Polycomb Sync. Number 8. Corsair SP120 Elite 120mm PWM Hydraulic Bearing Fan. The Corsair SP120 Elite is a powerful and quiet 120mm PWM hydraulic bearing fan with Corsair AirGuide technology, capable of fan speeds ranging from 300 RPM to 1,300 RPM and producing up to 45.4 cfm of air with 1.23 mm H2O of static pressure. The anti-vortex vanes direct airflow to your hottest components for concentrated cooling, while the hydraulic bearing ensures long-lasting durability and minimal noise. The fan can also be stopped completely with a 0 RPM PWM signal, eliminating fan noise entirely. Number 9. Arctic F12 5-Pack. The Arctic F12's 5-Pack is a set of 120mm standard case fans designed to improve airflow and provide efficient ventilation in your computer. The innovative design of the fan blades ensures a quiet motor while delivering the desired airflow and pressure. With two-way installation, you can use these fans to blow warm air out of the case or draw cool air into it. The fluid dynamic bearing with an oil capsule not only prevents lubricant leakage, but also increases the fan's service life. By purchasing this 5-pack, you can save money while enjoying the benefits of these high-quality case fans. With a fan speed of 1350 RPM, airflow of 53 cfm/90.1 m superscript 3/h, and a noise level of just 0.3 zone, the Arctic F12 is a reliable and efficient choice for your computer cooling needs. Number 10. Puller DN 120 High-Performance Cooling PC Fans. Puller DN 120 high-performance cooling PC fans are ideal for gamers and professionals who need a quiet and efficient fan. The 8 soft silicone cushions absorb vibration, reducing noise to only 22.93 dBA. Using the unique loop-type oil supply circuit, the efficient hydraulic bearing can conserve lubricating oil, bringing a long life of more than 40,000 hours. The Vortex Pro Blade's design ensures a stable wind pressure and powerful air volume, while the black matte finish reduces light pollution. The DN 120 is easy to install and compatible with all types of chassis.